In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a view-only PDF from Google Drive. If you've ever found yourself needing the contents of a view-only PDF and just can't figure out how to save it to your device, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right into it and simplify the process for you. First, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Once you're there, locate the PDF file that you want to download. It's important to make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can access the files saved on your drive. Open the PDF by double-clicking it. This will display the document in the drive's built-in viewer, giving you a complete view of its contents. Now, here's where the challenge usually begins. If the download option is disabled, as is often the case with view-only files, you have to take a different route. The trick here is to bypass the download restriction by printing the document. Head over to the top right corner of the screen, look for the printer icon, and click it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P if you're on a PC. When the print dialog box pops up, you'll have several options to choose from. What you want to do here is select a different printer setting to convert it into a savable format. So, from the options available under Destination, choose Save as PDF. Or, if you see Microsoft Print to PDF, that's a fine choice too. This acts as a virtual printer. Converting the web page into a PDF, you can then save on your device. This method essentially prints the view-only document into a new PDF file that is free of any restrictions from the original file owner. After you've set the destination to Save as PDF, or your chosen saving option, click on Save. A dialog box will prompt you to choose a location on your PC where you want to store this newly created PDF file. Pick your preferred folder or directory, and hit the Save button once more. With that, the PDF will be downloaded to your computer, circumventing the view-only limitations. Before you go ahead and revel in your technical prowess, it's important to mention a crucial final point. Always remember to respect copyright or permission restrictions associated with any document you intend to download. This ensures that you remain on the right side of ethical and legal boundaries while accessing or distributing digital content. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to download a view-only PDF from Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more how-to videos and tech tips.